ANBERNIC RG505 retro handheld Android game console is a portable gaming device that allows you to play a wide variety of classic and modern games on the go. It is designed with a retro-style exterior and a large, full-color LCD screen which provides a nostalgically authentic gaming experience. One of the standout features of the ANBERNIC RG505 retro handheld Android game console is its versatility. It runs on Android 9.0, which allows you to access a wide variety of games and apps from the Google Play Store. This means that you can play classic games, as well as modern ones, all on the same device. The console also has a built-in emulator that supports a variety of classic game systems, including NES, SNES, GBA, and more. In addition to its gaming capabilities, the ANBERNIC RG505 retro handheld Android game console is also a feature-rich device. It has a powerful quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM, which ensures smooth and fast performance. It has a powerful quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM, which ensures smooth and fast performance. It also has a built-in speaker and headphone jack, allowing you to play games with or without audio. Overall, the ANBERNIC RG505 retro handheld Android game console is a great choice for gamers who want a portable and versatile gaming device. Whether you're a fan of classic games or modern ones, this console has something for everyone. Its retro-style design, powerful hardware, and wide range of gaming options make it a must-have for any gamer.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flaws.